Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's makeup look, I created this glittery pink eye makeup look. I got my inspiration from a fellow YouTuber. I came across her YouTube channel like really randomly. I made a screenshot of her eye makeup look because I wanted to recreate it. I think it's so gorgeous. She used purple in her crease and pink on her eyelids. I do have to say my eye look turned out really differently. The purple that I used in my crease kind of turned out to be like almost the same color as the glitter on my eyelids. So that's kind of, well, I do really like my eye makeup look, but I just really like that she used purple and then the pink. I really like the contrast of those both shades. So even though my makeup look turned out like very differently, I did wanted to tell you guys that I got inspired by her. But yeah, let's dive into this video. If you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do, like always, is prime my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, which is my absolute favorite eyeshadow primer. It's quite a dry consistency, but I feel like it makes my eyeshadow stay in place all day, and that's of course what I want. Then I'm going to set it with a little bit of powder just to make sure that it stays in place even better. And then I'm taking a eyeshadow guard, which I'm placing right underneath the end of my eye. This will leave me with a very sharp edge. And then I'm taking the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the white shade. I'm using my MAC 242 brush, my absolute favorite brush all time, and applying this right underneath my eyebrow. I always like to use a matte white shade underneath the eyebrow because I feel like it lifts my brow and it makes the transition towards my brow from my crease look a bit better. Then I'm taking this light pink shade from that same palette and I'm going to blend this all over in my crease. This will be my transition shade, and since I'm going to wear a lot of purple eyeshadows, I feel like using a pink shade for my transition will kind of match best with the purple. And the brush that I'm using right now is the Sigma E40, which is also included in my brush kit in collaboration with Sigma Beauty. I have it linked down in the description bar in case you're curious. Now I'm taking this soft purple shade and I'm also going to blend this in my crease because I am going in with a lot of purple colors. So I feel like the more purple undertone my crease is, the better. So that's why I'm going on top of it with this purple eyeshadow. So I just keep blending this shade back and forth until I find that there's like enough of this eyeshadow in my crease. Then I'm taking this darker purple shade, and by the way, I'm mentioning all the products that I'm using in this video in the description bar in case you're curious. And I'm going to blend this more in my outer V area and then also more towards my crease once I have applied most product in my outer V area. Then I'm taking this darker purple shade from the Morphe 35B palette, using a blending brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and also softly pressing this in my outer V area. And then when there's not like that much product left on my brush anymore, I'm going to blend it a bit more towards my crease as well, and a little bit upwards towards my brow bone. Then I'm taking this MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and I'm going to use this to create my cut crease. I'm not going all the way to the outer end of my eyelid. I'm kind of creating a sort of half cut crease in this case. So that's why I'm not like, if you have seen me doing a lot of cut crease videos, I always take it like all the way to the shadow guard. But right now I just stop at the middle part. I'm taking this eyeshadow from Makeupgeek, which is such a gorgeous color, and I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid where I applied the concealer. So I'm basically just going to cover up the concealer that I just applied with this pink eyeshadow. And again, I'm taking my MAC 242 brush, which is my favorite brush for pressing eyeshadows on the eyelid. Then I'm going back in with this purple shade, which is a single eyeshadow, and blending this a bit at the outer end to make sure that the eyeshadow that I just applied on the eyelid blends into the matte shades in my outer V area. Now it's time for glitter. I'm taking this purple glitter from Certifeye, one of my favorite glitter brands. And to make this stick on the eyelid, I'm taking this MAC Mixing Medium Gel. So first, softly pressing the MAC Mixing Medium Gel on the eyelid, and then right away on top of it with the glitter. And I just started with not applying too much of the glitter. I'm just going to slowly build it up and then when you feel like the glue has dried, just apply a little bit more. I find the MAC Mixing Medium really easy to work with. So now I'm taking some gel eyeliner. I'm going to apply this right on top of my right above my lash line, and sometimes it can be quite hard to apply gel eyeliner on top of glitter, and I feel like the key to this is just apply a lot of the gel eyeliner. Just apply a lot of it basically. Now I removed my shadow guard, and for my waterline I'm taking this Mr. Right pencil from theBalm Cosmetics. I'm taking the black one and apply this all over in the waterline. And if you're wondering what I used for my wing, I used the NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner. I did this off camera because I show it in a lot of my videos, but that liquid liner is my current favorite. So I applied the pencil in my waterline and also underneath my upper lashes to make it extra smoky. Then I'm going back in with the Morphe 35B eye palette, taking that matte black shade and also using a very tiny brush from Certifeye and pressing this right underneath the lower lash line to make it even more dark. Also softly applying it right on top of the waterline. Then I'm taking this vibrant pink shade, also from the Morphe palette, blending this underneath the lower lash line. And did you guys know that this palette is discontinued? I saw James Charles posted on his Instagram, and I'm so sad because this is my most used palette ever, and I know they are going to launch something in back. How do you say it? They are going to launch something that is similar, so I guess they are dropping a new palette with a lot of vibrant shades, but I just hope it's going to be just as good because I really like this palette. Then I'm taking this Dream Glow Kit from Anastasia, taking the shade Unicorn. I'm going to apply this in my inner corner area to brighten it up, and this is such a gorgeous palette from Anastasia. It has a lot of very unique colors, so if you want to be a little bit more creative and use some different colors than usual for your highlight, that one is really nice. And for my mascara, I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, one of my favorites. I use it in almost all my recent videos. It's just really nice, especially for my lower lashes. It makes them really long. And then I applied some fake eyelashes, which are my Annytude Snobby eyelashes. These are really dramatic. I really like to use them whenever I do a smoky eye. And now it's time for my face. I'm going to start with some lip liner. I'm taking this LAgirl Lippencil, which is very affordable, and this is a really nice color for whenever you use a nude lipstick. Then on top of that, I'm taking this Dose of Colors Supernatural Liquid Lipstick, and this is one of my favorites. I've used it also very often on my YouTube channel. It's a very gorgeous nude brown peachy kind of color. Now for my contour, I'm taking this palette from Natasha Denona, taking the middle brown shade and using this for my cheekbones and also for underneath the jawline. Then to warm up my face, I'm taking this Mineralize powder from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Medium Deep to warm up my whole complexion. So applying this on my cheeks and also on my forehead to give me that sunny vibe. Then on top of my lips, I'm going to use this Goalz lip gloss from Dose of Colors. Also use this very often on my channel. It's just one of my favorite lip glosses. Whenever I don't know what to use for my lips, I just grab these combination. I think it's really pretty. Now to highlight my face, I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlighter, one of my most used highlighters. I have purchased 2 of them already and they're almost running out, so I really love them. Now I'm taking this Makeup Store blush, applying this on the apples of my cheeks. This is a very neutral color, which I think suits really well with this makeup look. And then here you have the end result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think the eyes turned out really nice. I just really like that purple color. It's so vibrant and it's just really seductive. I don't know, I think it's really sexy. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and of course don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!